Well, in an effort to revitalize the Camp Springs area, officials broke ground on a brand new hotel this afternoon. A new Hampton Inn will be located on Mercedes Boulevard. The owners got a $1.2 million loan from the county's Economic Development Incentive Fund.
Being able to work with Mr. Patel, provide that funding so that he can move forward with this project, it brings forth economic development in an area that's really, in need right now. Close to Joint Base Andrews, with the requirements they have with needing quality lodging, bringing about jobs. That's huge for us.
With the economic crisis and everything else, it was difficult to have a bank finance, what they used to finance. We needed to have some gap financing. So county gave us the gap of what we needed. We put 15% of it, and county and state put another 10, and then 75% we got it from a bank.
How much does that help you?
Without that, it wouldn't have been possible.
Everything from the building materials that are used to the HVAC system, the energy efficiency, in addition the lighting. So all of that will be energy efficient, contributing to it.
And once completed, the hotel will be 77,000 square feet and will have 117 rooms.